Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to delete Quora accounts permanently. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch a Quora application, which of course I've done right here. Now, where exactly can you find Quora? You can find Quora on Google Play Store or Apple Store. Launch any of the stores and in the search bar, go ahead and type Quora. So once you type Quora, follow through the on-screen instructions to download and install Quora. After installing it, it's going to take you right into the sign up page. We're going to be asked to either log in using an existing account or to create a new account entirely. After signing in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Quora. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's text, and that is how to delete Quora accounts permanently. From this homepage, I'd like you to head over to the top left corner of your screen where you have your profile icon. Click on that and that's going to take you here. Now in here you have messages, monetization, your content and stats, bookmarks, draft, and you have settings. Go ahead and click on settings and that takes you into this window. So here you have accounts, you have privacy, you have email notifications, languages, subscription and billing, and of course space subscriptions. Go ahead and click on account. Now once you click on account, it takes you here. Now you have the email, password, and of course you have login security. So all of this are just letting you know that you cannot delete your account directly from here, but there's a way you can get that done. So go all the way back. Okay. And head over to privacy settings. So go to privacy. And now you have all of this. So from the privacy settings all the way down, you have the option to deactivate your account by just deactivating it for a while, not deleting it completely. And you have the option to delete your account. So go ahead and click on delete account. And once you click on delete account right here at the bottom of your screen, just follow through the next steps. Confirm that you want to delete, and after confirming, your account is going to be deleted. So you can go back to the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.